So magandang araw Kabola. So malamang po pinag-uusapan na ngayon itong trade nga po ni NLEX at saka Northport Batang Pier. Pero meron pa isa pang matinding rumor po na nilabas si Snowbird. Of course, pinatunayan na naman po niya yung accuracy niya, yung connection niya po with that Robolic trade Kabola na mapapatunayan pa kaya ulit niya with this trade rumor. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button Kabola. So before we go to that, pag-usapan muna natin itong mga na-post po dito sa spin.ph na mga manda pong pag-usapan. First, Coach Chot Reyes daw po, babalik na. That is according kay Coach Homer Saison Kabola. So, ito nga pong si Chot Reyes, actually naman, di ba? So, off-season, nasabi na yan, nababalik po siya as the head coach po. And of course, nung pinaupo po si Lastimosa, Coach Jolas, is sinabi rin naman po na hindi po pang matagalan itong si Coach Jolas sa pag-handle niya po ng team ng TNT. Although napag-champion niya po yung TNT. And that makes it interesting now Kabola. So bababalikan nila si Coach Chot. And actually, pwede pa nga niyang maka 2 out of 2 kasi ongoing pa naman itong tournament po na ito Kabola. Kung saan si Coach Jolas pa rin po yung coach Kabola. Pero overall, nanghihinahin lang ako kasi parang okay naman kay Coach Jolas I mean, TNT is running well under Coach Jolas, pero they will still push for the return of Coach Chot Kabola. So tingnan natin kung tama bang decision na ito ng TNT Kabola. Then Mikey Williams Kabola. So si Mikey Williams daw that is talagang gusto na niyang makipag-renegotiate daw Kabola. Pero sabi daw ng tropa o ng TNT is that it is now officially terminated. So ito nga pong TNT Kabola talaga nagpapa-hard to get na with Mikey Williams. And hindi naman talaga yan nakakagulat, diba? Knowing nga po sa ginawa po ni Mikey Williams. So, na kay Mikey na yan, kung gaano po, anong level yung pagpapakumbaba niya para may bakita niya po sa TNT para magkaroon po sila ng kaayusan, Kabola. And then, San Miguel Beerman daw trying to find a new import. I think that is credible or that should be fine, Kabola. Kasi nga, their import is medyo may kalitan and hindi talaga dominant Kabola. And now that Fajardo is out, they may want to look for a dominant inside operator Kabola. Now ito na. Yun nga pong rumor Kabola. Predator tumatagay na ng Bilog. So yung Predator po Kabola, alam naman natin kung kanino pong moniker yan. That is for CJ Perez Kabola. And Bilog is one of the product of Ginebra. Diba yung round? May 2x2 sila, may 4x4, and then may round or yung Bilog. So in short, Snowbird is telling us that there is a possibility of a CJ Perez to Ginebra trade. Of course, alam naman natin kapag nag-trade po yung dalawang sister team, dapat po mayroong isang conduit team. So malamang it's either Northport yan or ito nga pong Terra Firma Jeep Kabola. Now, bakit ito gagawin ng San Miguel Beerman? CJ Perez is currently their best player or local player now that is Fajardo is out Kabola. So siya yung best player nila. Bakit nila ito ibibigay kay Ginebra? Diba? So, there could be two possibilities there. First, maybe nakikita ni San Miguel Beerman na mayroong problema sa fit with Fajardo. Pero sa tingin natin, diba? Perez is doing well with Fajardo. Maganda nga sila na tandem kasi nga nagiging monster pa rin si Perez even though he's playing with Fajardo, and that is actually hard to do pero nagagawa ni Perez, diba? So I think fit is not the problem. Maybe Perez wants to play for Ginebra, pwede rin naman ganun, pinupush nila. Or maybe, diba, gusto lang talagang mag-put muna ng focus ng SMC management kay Ginebra, ganun ba yun? Kabola, di sayang naman yung pick naman nitong si Fajardo, diba? Or magkakaroon lang talaga ng malalimang reshuffling, diba? So they will trade Perez to Ginebra pero they will get also a big package in return. So overall, yan po yung mga babantayan natin moving forward. Pero sa tingin natin, bagay ba si Perez sa Ginebra? If you look at it, basically mag-aano sila ng tandem with Thompson and Hanmisi. I think yes, okay lang din. Kasi nga po, Thompson can still be impactful even without the ball. And of course, Hanmisi is a fine shooter. So, the trio should be fine. Kabakabala sa palagay mo, magaganap kaya talaga itong trade na to? Comment na po sa baba.